back to my channel, and yes, it is time for my Dollar Tree haul. I am pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. Now, it is a slow week. I don't have a lot of wants. I'm still on a hunt to find the second True Blood book, but otherwise I haven't been really watching Dollar Tree videos because I've been kind of cutting back on Dollar Tree. But I loved it. I've been finding more movies, and as you guys know, I love movies. I should show you guys my whole movie collection because I'm a person who loves movies. We don't have cable, so I'm like, why not watch a movie? Right now I'm watching Harry Potter. I'm on the 8th disc. I just have an hour left to go, but I've been watching that all week. So I just love movies, and I'm like, I need to start watching more movies. I used to watch one or two a day, but I barely do that anymore. So I'm going to start trying to do a movie a day, but I'm here to just dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now, the first thing I think is super cute is this little plunger thing. This is a Sink It plunger. It's super cute. It was available in different colors. It twists, but it's like you just sink it out. It's like a little... It's hitting something. It's like, and it really sticks there. It sticks, but I think it's super cute. I think they had it in blue and green and purple, and purple is one of my favorite colors. So I thought that'd be super cute to use in case we ever need to, you know, get it out. So I had to get that. I found these erasers. Now, Ben's birthday is not until September, but we are doing an Easter egg hunt for his party with all of his friends. I'm putting goodies in there, but now I am starting to shop for stuff to put in the little eggs. And I saw these Minion Erasers. Even though most of the kids are not in school, I thought they'd be still really cute. They're pencil toppers, and I've never seen these before. I was trying to find more, but I only found just this one. But I thought, for $1, I think that's super cute, so can put those in there. And they're kind of emoji faces. He's having an emoji themed birthday. I found Cracker Jacks. I used to eat these like crazy. I thought maybe I'd try to get Ben to eat them. Like, he does eat carameled popcorn and peanuts, so I thought these would be cute to have for him. And there's 3 of them in here. I don't know how long they've had Cracker Jacks at the Dollar Tree, but I'd get them for him, so I got those for Ben to try. I found these. Now, these are internet passwords, and it goes in a little binder, and it says that there's a binder that goes with it. I didn't find a binder, but my mom's always having a hard time with her passwords and stuff, and I thought this would be a great thing for me to have and for my mom to have. But you can put the website name in there, and then like the URL and all that jazz. Oh, it says website name, URL, username, and password. But I thought this would be kind of cool for her to have, you know, to write all her passwords down. So, had to get that. I mean, the brand name is Birds, 3 Birds Studio. So, I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of their stuff at the Dollar Tree, but I gotta find that little binder to see if there's something that goes with it. I found a couple of movies. Now, if you guys are a Disney freak like I am, get the Disney movies because they have from what I heard, they have the movie rewards in here. So you guys can get at least like 100 points for just buying a DVD. So definitely try to get the DVDs. You know, even if you guys just take it, get the points and sell it, you know, sell for $1, you guys could probably get your money back right there, and you got the free codes. I've been saving those codes since day 1. I've gotten a lot of free stuff from the thing. So I got the Disney Prom movie. I have seen this. It was okay. I wouldn't say it's like the greatest, but I really enjoyed it. So I got that. You're going to hear my kid cry in the background because he really wants me. I ended up finding this movie. The case is not the greatest, but Yes, I'm downstairs. I Could Never Be Your Woman, and I do like Paul Rudd and Michelle Pfeiffer. I don't know if I've ever seen this movie, but how old is this movie? From 2006. So it's kind of an older movie, but I thought for $1, you know, it's cheaper just watching it instead of renting it. I bought this in the past, and I never used it, but I've been wanting to try this. But I ended up getting the A&W little singles to go. Now, I heard you can put it in water. I also heard to put it in seltzer water or something like that. Hi, baby. So I got that to try because I am a huge root beer fan. So I thought, why not try that? So definitely going to try those.
You love these.
Yes, I do. Okay, let's just dig in and see what else we got.
Hey, what's that one called?
Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. Hold on. And we're going to a couple graduation parties. I have cousins that are triplets, and then we have our neighbor's party coming up. And so we had to get some graduation coupons.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, so I had to get these because I love the Dollar Tree cards, especially these ones that are like wrapped in plastic. They're made by Volia or whatever. I love these cards. These are so much better than some of the stuff that you buy. I like the 3D effect, and they're so worth $1. I always get these cards. So I wanted to share with those deals. Ben's playing with a sponge, or the thing on his head. Now, I found this book. I've never seen this book before, but I do like Glee. I was a huge fan of Glee. But,
Emma's on the back.
Yeah, Emma's on the back. But it's with, like, it says the official William McKinley High School yearbook. And it's got, like, pictures of all the kids and everything. Well, Graham has a cousin who is truly, truly, truly obsessed with Glee. He was very sad that it ended. And I thought this would be a good book whenever we see him to get it for him. So I'm going to look at it and then I'm going to give it to him because he just really, really, really enjoys Glee. So I thought that would be a good gift to give him. I found more movies, you guys. I thought I had another Dollar Tree bag, but I don't know what happened to it. I found these movies. I got Simone, and then I also got Rain Over Me. Again, I've seen this movie. I saw this movie like when I moved to where I live. It's a pretty decent movie. It's like he makes this like fake girl or whatever, but it ends up being a good movie. And then there's Rain Over Me, but I thought for $1 you cannot go wrong with that. Now Father's Day is coming up, and Graham didn't get me anything for Mother's Day, but I'm a nice mom, and I got him something. So we got him the Starburst gummies.
And we got sour gummies. They're not mine. They got sour gummies.
Yeah, and we got another Starburst gummies in the sour.
And next, we got another gummy.
And we got Lifesaver gummies.
No, they're called Circle gummies.
Oh, Circle gummies. And we got another Starburst gummies.
Yeah, I love Starburst. I do.
And then I did get something else from the Dollar Tree, but I lost it. I will have to show you guys in my next haul.
And this goes fireworks.
Yeah, and we got snakes. Can you show them? Let's show them. We got those little things that you throw on the ground and they snap. So I thought these would be cute. Actually, no, these are ones that you light on fire. I thought they were the ones that snap things. Oh, Ben's showing you stuff I have on my desk. So we got some colored. It says they're colored. That's awesome. Black magic snakes, glowworms, fun color snakes, and magic color snakes.
Red, yellow,
so that's kind of cool. I'm excited to do a lot of fireworks with him this summer. And then the last item we got, I saw this. I've never seen this before, but it is a back scratcher and a shoehorn is what they call it, right? Yeah, shoehorn. And I thought these are kind of cute. You know, I really like the back scratcher because I can just be like, you can get it right there, you know. So I had to get that. I thought that'd be a cute little gift. And Ben liked playing with it too, so yeah. Did you like it?
Yeah, you get fun stuff.
Yeah. So we got this in our last Dollar Tree haul, but make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up according to Benjamin, right? Yeah. Yeah. So that was my haul. It wasn't the greatest haul, but I've been finding some stuff that I could really use instead of just stuff. I've been trying to find a little bit more DIYs that I could do with you guys, but I posted a lot of DIYs while I was on vacation, so I'm just kind of taking a break, just going a little bit slow on some things. That's why you guys haven't seen me post a lot of videos, but I hope to post more. I'm just kind of going in that slump, plus we're all sick. Ben's getting a little sick, and I'm still sick, so yeah. Wanted to say thank you guys for watching.
Daddy's not sick.
Daddy's not sick. Daddy's just getting done with being sick, but we are still sick. I still have a cold.
Hey, it's like a hand, he will grab you.
Oh, it's gonna be a hand. Ah, it's a hand that grabs me. Ah. You guys, he's just a little sick little guy. But I wish I knew where I put the other items that I bought. We're still gonna do that. We're still gonna do that Jiffy Pop video for you guys when we do it. I'm probably gonna do it this weekend. Okay, but can you say? What do you say?
Give thumbs up and scream with the love.
We say, give this video a thumbs up. Say, thank you for watching.
Let's give a thumbs up right there.
Yeah, okay. Say, give a thumbs up and say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I will grab this.
Okay, see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.